Today on Rappler, the Sandigan Bayan stops the plunder hearing of former President Gloria Arroyo and returns the case to the Ombudsman. The Judicial and Bar Council postponed submission of its shortlist of Chief Justice candidates.
Kung po ang outsider ang ilalagay po natin, parang nag-appoint kayo ng civilian na mag-head ng isang gera. Imbis na general naman po sana, no?
And Associate Justice Lourdes Sereno says appointing an outsider Chief Justice is like sending a civilian to war.